Ethereum has gone parabolic again in the last couple weeks. The question is why? According to this article from Business Insider, in the last couple days, Ethereum's recent rally first started after a fourth quarter report on the performance of the currency, which is a decentralized network for people to run contracts on, showed that transaction volumes on its network doubled, according to a blog post on the Ethereum blog.ethereum.org, surpassing 10 transactions per second for days at a time. Do you guys agree with that? Do you think that's why Ethereum has surged so much? Ethereum now has almost $130 billion market cap. Earlier today, it was over $130 billion market cap. It's since been correcting quite a bit today. It was over $1,400 at one point a couple days ago. Look at that chart. That's a parabola on top of a parabola in the last couple weeks, the green chart there. Also interesting, something to note here as well, is that for months, really since May, Ethereum had been going down against Bitcoin, obviously up in price, but down against Bitcoin. It hadn't really been gaining, and it about bottomed on Friday, December 8th, and since then it's been regaining a lot. That's been going parabolic as well. Very interesting times. So I'm attaching a few different articles on theories about why Ethereum's been rising. It at one point hit $1,417. There's actually, in some of these articles, there's people, co-founders of Ethereum. Steven Nerayoff, a co-creator of Ethereum, said it could easily double or triple this year. What do you think about that? Do you think he's just pumping and then he's going to dump? Because there's really no transparency here. So we don't know if these guys are going to actually, if they're actually holding on to the coins or they're going to be dumping the higher it goes. Unfortunately, this is the type of markets we're in. Free market, I would like more transparency. I would like the people who own a lot of these coins to say that, okay, I'm selling. I think what Charlie Lee decided to do with Litecoin is very admirable, that he wanted to be more transparent about when he buys and sells, but not everyone's going to want to do that, especially if they're not forced to. Why do you think the Ethereum price has gone basically parabolic again? And I'm going to attach some articles here about Ethereum and the rally, some theories about why the price has gone higher. The other thing I wanted to mention was I was supposed to release on Friday or Saturday my interview with Chris Coney, founder of Cryptoversity, host of the Cryptoverse podcast. Unfortunately, my recording program screwed up really badly. I do not know why. It has been working very, very well for basically 2 straight years. It has been doing a good job. And what my recording program did is, first of all, we did a Skype to Skype call, and his YouTube channel, which has more subscribers than mine, over 40,000 subscribers here at Cryptoverse. He has a really nice audio setup, and so I could hear him crystal clear over in England, and I thought it was recording. My recording program, the numbers were running. There were no obvious signs that the recording program was not working. And so then when I went to sample the audio and I sent it to my audio editor for editing, he said, Jason, the audio on your end, it recorded you perfectly and did not record a second of his audio. So I guess we're going to have to do a reschedule. I'm sorry I didn't get that interview out. It was actually a really great hour-long interview. There was a great insights in there about a lot of different cryptocurrencies. Also, for those of you who are fed up with me talking about cryptocurrencies, they're the trending topic right now. But I've also been booking for the next month. I've been reaching out to a lot of my experts, contacts, and experts in the gold community, and I've been booking gold experts who I've had on in the past. I've been getting them booked for the next couple weeks and in February, late January, early February. And also I've been trying to get new gold experts on, like Ned Naylor Leland, longtime portfolio manager, I think 17 years experience managing gold stocks and being in the gold market. So I've been trying to get on, various experts in gold to talk about gold stealth bull market. Remember, I did a short video a couple days ago talking about how gold, had a surprise stealth rally that most people are not talking about in 2017, while, the everything bubble was going on, and central banks are basically, whether it's the Federal Reserve, European Central Bank, Bank of Japan, they're claiming that they're going to be reducing their balance sheet. So we'll see what happens with that. And, higher interest rates, regardless of what the economic textbooks say, gold actually has done well during the 1970s bull market with higher interest rates. The only time it didn't was when Paul Volcker drastically raised interest rates. And then he said in his memoirs that he should have manipulated the gold price so it didn't go like crazy. Last piece of information on this video is that I'm pretty close to adding 2 new business partners to my company, Wall Street for Main Street. In the next couple years, they are going to put a significant amount of investment capital in to hopefully upgrade the website and make it so you guys actually want to go to the website, and we could maybe have some written content there. They want to also start doing similar content to Real Vision TV, where people are interviewed via video and we have higher production quality content. That's going to be in addition to mixing in, these short little videos I do. And we're going to try to just be more consistent with trying to release more content each week. I also have some paid advertising deals that are lined up. I know some of you guys who don't want to ever give me any money for donation or anything like that are going to bitch and complain no matter what advertisers I put on, but I've screened it out. I think they're really quality products and services that you guys would be interested in, not necessarily in financial, but I got to be able to pay my bills here given the content I'm doing and how much content I've been putting out. So we're going to be adding a couple new paid advertisers. You guys are familiar with a couple of them you're not. And I think 2018 is going to be a really good year. I'm really looking forward to bringing in these new business partners. Hopefully, there's no snafus in the deal and everything with a, written out contract, get signed, things are good on that end. And there's going to be things in the contract that are going to force them to contribute lots of content as well. Because, we don't want absentee owners. I really don't like that, having unfortunately dealt with that for Mo for the last 2 years. It was a nightmare. But thank you guys for watching this video, and comment on Ethereum, and I promise that there's going to be more content that's going to be non-cryptocurrency. We're going to mix that in as well, but crypto is really the hot thing right now, so I've been trying to increase the amount of crypto coverage to bring new subscribers and views to the channel, but we're going to try to have a very comprehensive view of a lot of different financial markets going forward in 2018 and beyond as I continue to grow Wall Street from Main Street and hopefully bring in more investment capital and continue to improve this brand and eventually one day create a really impressive educational technology company.